Hi folks, Jay the RV Coach here at Leisure Time Sales in Quispamsis, taking a look today at a 2015 Wildwood Heritage Glen 368 RLBH. Obviously a really nice big fifth wheel. You got a mid-bunk floor plan in this one, which gives you your rear living space but still have enough room on the inside for additional sleeping with that mid-bunk layout. 4 slides on this one altogether. Nice big storage compartment there, as you can see. Nice big power awning on the outside. Let's take a look at the inside. Great floor plan again. Very versatile. On the slide, you've got a drop-down dinette. Storage underneath on each side, nice and comfortable. Theater seats located directly across from the electric fireplace, entertainment center. On the other side of the slide, you got a fold-out couch at the back of the coach with wraparound windows. Again, beautiful layout here. You got windows all around, makes things nice and bright. Inside the coach, storage above both the couch and the theater seats. Island kitchen gives you some great versatility in terms of how you use your kitchen. You've got storage on this side, high-rise faucet, 2-chamber sink. Good pantry storage to the right of the fridge, Whirlpool fridge. Nice and big. You've got all kinds of counter space over here with that island kitchen. 3-burner cooktop with an oven. Nice microwave above and a little bit more storage. Mentioned the mid-bunk layout. Right here through this door, you can see you've basically got another living room. You've got a fold-down couch as a jackknife, so you've got storage underneath, as well as the ability to fold that down. If you wanted to install a bunk, previous owners have taken the bunk out. You could reinstall that bunk relatively easily. It's not a big deal for you to go ahead and make yourself another bunk, but you've got room in here for someone to sleep, or maybe even 2 people, depending on who they are and how much they like each other. Good storage in here too, so if you've got company for a long-term stay or you just want to use this extra storage for yourself, it's obviously very convenient to have in this space. Heading up the hallway on the left-hand side, you've got the washroom. Full-size washroom. You've got a nice double-side shower with a sit-down skylight to give you a little bit of extra height and light, and a ceramic foot flush toilet, and a nice-sized medicine cabinet. In the bedroom area, you've got a king bed, padded headboard, a window there to keep things fresh, nice size wardrobe, huge dresser, TV already built in, and another window in here. Previous owners, just little signs of good ownership. They've got the cover on the skylight there. It's going to do 2 things. It's going to help them retain their heat. It's also going to make things nice and dark and private in that room. Folks, this has been a quick look at a 2015 Heritage Glen. Fifth wheel just arrived here in the lot at Leisure Time Sales in Quispamsis. Great opportunity for someone to get into a beautiful luxury fifth wheel at a good price. This 2015 model will be priced very well. And again, as I mentioned at the outset, comes to us in great condition. This has been Jay the RV Coach, reminding you that from the showroom to the campground, I've got you covered.